Nothing beautiful ever is going to come unless we actively make it happen. Fanciful dates are not going to do it. Position of the stars is not going to do it. Above all, if you want to raise human consciousness, you don't need any galactic help. If you're willing, it's possible. If you're not willing, it doesn't matter, all the damn stars align, it's not going to happen. So, world over, people are making efforts. I hope that they're not idiotic people who believe the date is going to raise their consciousness. They're smart people who want to make use of the date to get everybody to meditate. If it is so, I'm with them. 2012, 21st December, as many people as possible on this planet, if you meditate, human consciousness will raise. But the reality is, on any damn day, if all of us meditate, it will raise. So anyway, they have come up with a doomsday date. Let's at least meditate and do something. Oh, everybody's going to meditate, let me see. No, let's do it. And it is this date or any date, if all of us do it, it'll anyway work. But we need a date, what to do? So we got one, so close up, let's not miss it. And you've never seen such an event, you should miss it.